Vac. It's a non-invasive, single-patient, portable airway clearance device to be used in a choking emergency. Here to tell us more about this life-saving device is Rob Cresswell. Hey, Rob.
Hey, thanks for having me today.
So glad you're here, and we have the Vacs here with us, but I think it's really important that you share your personal story before we get into the medical terms and stuff like that.
Sure.
I think you have a really touching story to tell.
Yeah, so September of last year, my brother, we had gone to church. Him and his wife went to a restaurant, a national chain, and Greg got choked. And people panicked and really didn't know what to do. And Greg went without oxygen for 30 minutes. And so he passed away and on September 1st. And so during his funeral, I had a friend of mine come up and say, "Have you ever heard of Vac?" And I said, "I have no idea." And he said, "A friend of mine was saved by Vac, and this is a Vac." And so I started looking into it, sort of had a calling, and we decided that we were going to put Vac in every restaurant, nursing home, licensed daycare center, and first responders vehicle.
Rob, first of all, I'm so sorry for your loss. This was just last September, correct?
It was.
I'm so sorry, but you're doing this for your brother Greg.
We are.
Can you tell me how to use Vac?
So it's really easy. It's just like a plunger for a tulip plunger.
Yeah.
And, but it's actually so easy. It's a simple device. You just place, push, and pull. And it's got a device in there that does not push air into your lungs. It diffuses it, and then when you pull out, it sucks everything out. So Vac is a company out of New York. Mike and Dana Plunkett are the owners of the company. They have been so supportive with us. So their company developed this. It's made in America, and so if this would have been there that day, Greg would be here with us. So we started a 501c3 organization, and so our goal is to take care of Hamilton County and for Greg to save lives.
I love it. So you want a Vac in every restaurant, nursing home, anywhere that could possibly be a choking hazard, you want to put one in there.
That's right.
So if our viewers want to find more information about Vac and to donate, how can they do that?
So GregO2.org, and it's O as in oxygen, 2.org. Or if you need if you have any questions, if you want to volunteer, it's rob@gregO2.org. That's Rob, R-O-B.
Okay, Rob, and then not the number, but the letter O.
The letter O.
The letter O,
O2
very
is in
important.
oxygen.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Rob. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story,
Yes.
and I hope we save so many lives with the Vac.
And the device that's going to be placed is here.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
All right, Rob. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.